An overview of the medical device industry in Brazil and steps to register your device. Part 1. Device registration in Brazil, the role of ANVISA and BRH. You may know, Brazil is one of the fastest growing markets for medical devices in the world. Brazil medical devices market size is predicted to exhibit a CAGR of 9% by 2023. The Brazilian medical device market is expected to reach $1.8 billion by 2023, reinforcing its position as the top medical device market in the region. The reasons behind the strong growth of the medical devices market in Brazil are linked to socio-demographic factors such as an increase in the elderly population as well as an increase in healthcare coverage, which has raised the need for up-to-date medical devices, diagnostics, and tests. To take advantage of these opportunities, manufacturers and suppliers must ensure their products meet the requirements laid down by the National Health Surveillance Agency, ANVISA. Special ANVISA requirements. All medical devices are required to comply with Brazil's Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP. Mandatory GMP audit requirement based on Brazilian GMP regulations for manufacturers of all Class 3 and Class 4 medical devices. These devices are subjected to Brazilian GMP inspections carried out by ANVISA in 2-year intervals. INMETRO Certification. All electromedical devices subject to IEC 60601 are required to achieve National Institute of Metrology, Standardization and Industrial Quality certification through an INMETRO accredited certification body. Local certification requirements may apply for the INMETRO certification. Specific clinical evaluation or studies may be required to prove safety and efficacy of the products for high-class devices or new devices, regardless of their risk class. Brazil Registration Holder, BRH. Foreign manufacturers who intend to market their medical devices in Brazil must appoint a Brazilian registration holder, that is, an authorized local representative responsible for submitting to ANVISA the necessary documents for the registration procedure. BRH maintains control of the manufacturer's device registration and BGMP certification where applicable. BRH is also involved in the coordination with the distributors for the import authorization of each shipment. Also, hiring an independent BRH gives freedom to change distributors at any time. Would you like to know more about ANVISA and BRH?